So welcome guys to my channel. Now assuming that you have a challenge on deleting a rep from the GitHub accounts. Some of us we find this a little bit hard, but the fact is it's a very simple process in which it will take you less than 5 minutes. So if at all you want to delete any repo from your GitHub account, these are the steps that you need to follow to successfully delete your repo. So step number 1, you need to ensure that you are at the dashboard. Then at the dashboard, click on the repo that you want to delete from the available list of repo that you have. If you look at my dashboard, I have only one repo which is available. So I will click on that repo. Now after clicking the repo, it will in fact open the repo. It will bring you to this point. So on this point, we have so many options that we can do on that repo. We have the code, the issue, the pull request, the action, the project, the wiki, security, insight, and setting. Now, because we are only interested with the deleting of the repo, I will click on the setting button. We have that button. So click that button. Now, having done that, it will take you to this point where we have the general setting, the badges, among others. So what you need to do on the right side, you need to go all the way to the top, to the bottom part of that page, to the danger zone. At the danger zone, we have so many options that we can do on our repo. We can change the repo visibility. We can disable the badge protection rules. We can transfer the ownership. We can archive the repo. And lastly, you can delete the repo. Since we are interested with the deleting, you need now to click on that button. Having clicked that button, it will take you to this point where it will ask you to confirm whether you want to delete the repo. So I confirm, I click that button to confirm that I'm interested in deleting that repo. After that, it will take you to this point where it will give you an extra caution. Unexpected bad thing will happen if you don't delete this. And this is now the message that I have. This will permanently delete the Carlos became ALX pre-course repo with issue comments package secrets, workflow, runs, remove, or collaborators association. So that's a very important part if you want to delete a certain repo. Those are the things that you will permanently delete from that repo. Assuming that I'm still interested in deleting that repo, I will click on the confirmation message where it will take me to this point. On this point, there is also an extra question where I need to confirm whether I still need to delete the repo. So you need to type Carlos became ALX pre-course in the box below. So let me try to type and see what I'll get. If you look at before maybe I finish typing the whole thing, you can see that the delete button is not active. So let me see what will happen. ELX. So the moment that you type this small information, you can see that now the button is active. So if at all I go ahead and delete this button, my repo will be permanently be deleted from my GitHub account. So that's the simple process that you need to know if at all you want to delete your repo. Thank you. In case you have any question related to GitHub, you can go ahead and comment below on the comment section. Thank you. Have a good day.